My video guide is about getting rid of the adware called WouldLatest. WouldLatest is the adware from the adload family, and this particular adware, once installed, starts displaying the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. And therefore, this application is a potentially unwanted software. It is often spread through integration with many free programs, so do not tolerate it on your computer. And if you have found its presence on your device, you need to get rid of it. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then start researching your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.